Hi students and families, my name is Katie and I'm the office manager here at Creative Keys Tampa. I'm making this video to inform you about all the fun activities we have lined up for our wonderful students this summer. Firstly, we're holding our 4th annual composition contest. Students are invited to compose a piece of music 8 measures or longer and submit a video performance and/or written manuscript of their composition. There are 3 age categories for submissions: 5 to 9, 10 to 13, and 14 and up. We'll pick first and second place winners for each age groups. Students have plenty of time to compose their submissions as the deadline is August 6th. Up next, we've got our summer art contest. Students are invited to create a music-themed art piece using 8.5 by 11-inch paper and pencils, crayons, paint, or pastels. To submit your works of art, just drop them off at the front desk. For this contest, we've got 4 age groups: 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, and 14 and up. We're accepting submissions in both June and July and we'll pick 2 winners, 1 for each month. We're so excited to see your creations. We're also hosting a summer music challenge through which students will earn stamps by completing various challenges, such as mastering a song or bringing a friend to your lesson. Students will receive fun prizes from the front desk each time they land on a star. The silver and gold stars hold higher point values, meaning that you'll get better prizes the more tasks you complete. Next, I'd like to remind you all about our summer camp, Camp Creative, which we're hosting at both of our locations, as well as a 2-day summer vocal workshop in Dunedin, led by Miss Francine. The summer camps will provide students between the age of 6 and 11 with the opportunity to try out piano, guitar, and violin. Students will also play note reading and rhythm games and participate in a music-themed craft. Dunedin's camp will be hosted by Miss Kate, while our camp here in Tampa will be hosted by Miss Siri. Sign up now to secure your spot. If you need to miss a lesson over the summer, we totally understand. Group enrichment classes are available at both locations to allow students to make up for missed lessons. Students are also more than welcome to take their lessons virtually or temporarily sublease their lesson to a friend or family member to avoid losing their spot. Students are highly encouraged to keep their time slots active over the summer since we do tend to get an influx of new students in June. I think that just about covers it. Thanks so much for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye-bye.